Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can use Cline AI. In order to do so, here we are at Cline.bot, and let's just take a quick look here at the home page. Cline is the collaborative AI coder. Elevate your engineering teams with a fully collaborative AI partner that's open source, fully extensible, and designed to amplify developer impact. 1.8 million installations. Cline isn't just an autonomous agent, it's your AI partner. Partners with you to create a thoughtful plan before taking action, explains its reasoning and approach, asking for your input, breaks down complex tasks step by step, clarifying the entire plan. It's more than a code generator, it's your partner in streamlining your development workflow. So we can just take a closer look here. If you want, you can spend some more time on the homepage, but let's go ahead and start with the installation. So we can click here, we can click up at the top. Let's just go ahead and click on that. Here we need to install Cline. We need to select your IDE. So far as this goes, we can either use VS Code or we can use Cursor. Okay. And I think we're going to go with VS Code just because it is free to download. Cursor, there is an expense there. So we're going to go ahead and go with the free version. So let's go ahead and we're going to download VS Code. And then once we do that, we're going to install Cline. So let's start with VS Code here. We're going to download for Windows. There we go. Go ahead and just take the steps here. We won't overthink this too much. Okay, so we'll go ahead and finish that. We're ready to launch VS Code. You can use AI features with Copilot for free. So let's go ahead and set up Copilot. We'll continue with GitHub. So you're going to want to make sure that you have an account for GitHub. If you haven't done that yet, go ahead and do that. Okay, there we go. So we got Copilot here ready to go now. And let's see. Okay, we'll just go ahead and mark that done. Okay, I think we're ready to go with that now. So let's go ahead and head back with Cline. And we're going to install with code. Here we go. So we're going to install that. Go ahead and trust publisher and install. Okay, meet Cline, your new coding partner. Cline codes like a developer because it thinks like one. Here's 5 ways to put it to work. Start with the goal, not just a prompt. Let Cline learn your code base. Always use the best AI models. Extend with powerful tools. You're always in control. Let's just go through the steps here. I think this is more just to review the possibilities here. Okay, so I think we've got that set up. So that is basically how you can get set up with Cline AI using VS Code. And again, the reason that I went with that was because Cursor, there is going to be an expense involved. There's a subscription there. And as far as I know, this is the way that you can do this for free. So that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you'll find a link to our link tree. There you will find our top AI recommendations and our socials. Click on any of those links to get started. You'd be helping us out as well, and we would greatly appreciate it.